Are you shocked?
Sabihin mo nga magkano yun.
Mina, look at this.
What to do?
Can you carry? Ayun, thank you po. Alright, you get the ticket.
Papi ate before
Marami yung food. Hindi ko akalain ganyan yung value niyan. Alam mo ba magkano?
Saan?
Magkano yan?
Ano?
Sabi na ni Misty.
Hindi. Maybe we're going to the bank. And then,
Yung ano niya? Ang deposit na. So,
those are all your coins, baby. Yeah.
Not all. May iniwan ako isang, yung pinaka-original na alkansya.
Are you shocked?
Sabihin mo nga magkano yan?
48.
Mina, look at this.
know what to do.
That's your...
Ganito. Sa harap na lang ito. Pati.
Can you carry?
Ay, kaya mo ba?
You try.
Kaya?
Okay, go.
Dito, o sige.
I'll bring it there. Ayun, thank you po. Can you see it? And then we will click deposits because you're going to make deposit. This is cash. Account number. You will input your account. Do you want to make another transaction? No. Click no. Very good. Are you a PWC? No. Click no. Alright, you get the ticket. And it's done. Okay, good.
Papi ate before
They're counting.
Yung noodles daw.